Most people think professional drone deliverables require expensive software, subscription, licenses, complicated workflows that cost a fortune before you even deliver anything. But here's the reality. A lot of professionals, myself included, are already using a free tool to produce orthophotos, DSMs, and point clouds that clients actually accept and pay for. And no, this is no stripped down toy or some limited trial version. So in this video I will show you exactly how to use Reality Scan to turn raw drone images into proper usable deliverables the easy way, step by step. Just a real workflow that works on real projects. I've had a lot of questions from my email list about which photogrammetry software to use, especially from people who don't want to log themselves into expensive subscriptions. One of my clear recommendations is Reality Scan. It's a powerful photogrammetry engine, and if your business revenue is under $1 million a year, you can legally use it for free. Reality Scan used to be called Reality Capture, and it's owned by Epic Games, so this isn't experimental software. It's an established professional grade tool that's been used on serious projects for years. Now let's go into the workflow. First, open the software. The very first thing we need to go is to settings and set the coordinate system for your geographical zone. Next, go to inputs, click on the folder icon and import drone photos. If your photos are in the subfolders, tick include subfolders. Now go into Align tab and click Align Images. Once the image alignment is finished, we need to add the ground control points. In the Alignment tab, go to Import, then Ground Controls. Your GCP files needs to be a TXT or a CSV file with this header, name XYZ separated by tab or comma. Click Open. You will get an import window. Select the name, XYZ fields, the correct separator, and the coordinate system. Here you can also enter your position accuracy. On the left side of the screen, you will see the GCPs listed under the photo. Select all the GCPs using Ctrl A. Go to the Tab tool and click Suggest Measurements. The software will suggest the photos where each GCP appears. Now we will mark the GCPs. Select the first photo. On the right side, switch to 2D view. Zoom in. Left click to the point and drag it to the center of the target. Here's a faster way. Instead of releasing the left mouse button, keep holding it and press the down arrow on your keyboard. You can even scroll with the mouse wheel while holding down the button. Release only when you need to switch to the next GCP. Once all GCPs are marked, click Align Images again and refine the alignment. After realigning, you will see the residual accuracy values for each GCP. Next, we're gonna reconstruct the 3D model. Go to Mesh and Color tab. Choose the mesh quality, which can be low, normal or high. I will choose normal detail. This step can take some time depending on the numbers of photos. When it's finished, you will notice the model is in color. So next, we need to apply texture and color. Go to Color and Texture and click Texture. Now the model has color, but you'll probably see some unwanted artifacts outside the survey area. Let's clean that up. Go to the Tools tab and select the lasso tool. Select the area you want to keep. Click Invert to select what do you want to remove. Then click Filter Selection. Next, we need to create the orthophoto. In the Tools tab, click the Ortho Projection and define the orthophoto boundary. On the left side, you can adjust the pixel size. If you click on Estimate, the software gives you the best possible resolution, but just remember the file sizes can be huge. For rendering mode, choose Image, Mosaicing, Aerial. When you're ready, click Render. Once it's finished, you can export the orthophoto and DSM, but before that, let's check the accuracy. On the bottom left corner, you will see the orthophoto coordinates in your projected coordinate system. Let's compare this with the checkpoint survey on site using a GNSS rover. The difference is within 5 cm, which is inside my project tolerances. Now go to the Workflow tab. Open the output selection and click Report to export the accuracy report. Select the file location and that's your report. Final step, export the deliverables. Click on Export and choose LAS point cloud. For orthophotos, select the global coordinate system, enable the LZW compression. Repeat the same process to the DSM. Type DSM in the filter box, choose the file location and make sure the pixel type is set to altitude. Creating drone deliverables is just the beginning. If all you deliver are maps and point clouds, you are leaving money on the table. In the next video, I will show you how to extract the information that actually gets paid for and why that's where most drone businesses fail.